Imagine a city with no roads, no cars, where buildings float on water. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, this isn't just a fairy tale. This is Venice, and its true story is far more incredible and far more impossible than you could ever imagine. Most people visit, but few know the mind-blowing secret holding it all together. And no, it's not just built on sand. The year is 452 AD. Europe is in chaos. Hordes led by Attila the Hun are ravaging Italy. Desperate to escape, Roman citizens fled to the marshy, uninhabitable islands of a lagoon. It was a place no one wanted, a place they thought was safe from invaders. Little did they know they were laying the foundation for one of the world's greatest marvels. So, how do you build a city on a swamp? The Venetians performed an engineering feat that still baffles us today. They drove millions, yes, millions, of wooden piles deep into the soft clay. These weren't just any trees. Massive oak, larch, and alder trunks were sourced from faraway forests. But here's the unbelievable part. Submerged underwater, in an oxygen-free environment, these wooden piles didn't rot. Instead, over centuries, the minerals in the water crystallized within the wood, slowly transforming it into a material as hard as stone. Venice literally stands on a petrified forest. Life in Venice is unique. Forget cars. Here, your public transport is a vaporetto, your taxi is a water taxi, and your garbage truck is a boat. Every aspect of daily life, from grocery deliveries to emergency services, adapts to the water. It's a rhythmic, slower pace of life, connected by breathtaking bridges and secret alleys. For centuries, Venice has battled acqua alta, high tides that flood the city. But is it truly sinking? While the ground beneath it does subside slightly, the biggest threat is rising sea levels. To combat this, Italy built the massive MOSE project, a system of mobile barriers designed to protect the lagoon from high tides. It's a testament to human determination to preserve this irreplaceable treasure. Venice is more than just a beautiful city. It's a living museum of human ingenuity, resilience, and art. It stands as a beacon of what's possible when humanity adapts to its environment. Have you visited Venice? What surprised you most? Share your thoughts below. And if you're as amazed as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from around the world.